Yo, is this working yet? Yo, hello, hello, yo, 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 yo. Yo. Okay, yeah, it works. Working yet? It works. Okay, cool. So right now I am trying to work out how to use face dancer, and this you see this diagram. That this is what I'm gonna be trying to figure out how to do. So if you don't know, and I'm guessing none of you guys know this, because I only found this out recently. The PlayStation Vita actually, yeah, you know how you need PSN in order to link a PlayStation Network account on 3.7, on 3.61 and above, right? You need a PlayStation Network account in order to link an account so you can transfer Hencore. And you need the PSN. I mean, you connect PSN at least once. But Sony screwed it up and never bothered blocking you from doing that. Why is my computer lagging all of a sudden? Come on! Chrome crashing, really? Can't render a simple HTML page. Of course I can't. Yeah, this is whether the deal with the recently is my computer just saying, I'm not going to work for a few minutes. I'm just going to freeze up and do absolutely nothing. It's very annoying. I'll check the chat on my phone actually. Let me read the chat if I have a window open. And potentially yes, lag. I mean, problem with that is that my phone's low on battery and all my USB cables are currently in use. Okay, Task Manager. Come on. Really? Frozen? You kidding me? What does the stream even look like? Right now I just see Chrome not loading the via PS3 page. Oh, finally! Okay. Yeah, it's just... Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Okay, you see this? This is our ticket out of requiring PSN access in order to jailbreak the PS Vita. So basically, you can link an account via PS3 over USB, which is like, what? Right? Like, what? You can do that? The way it works is that you sign into the PlayStation Network on the PS3, then you on the main menu, you're gonna go into Content Manager and copy content, and then it asks you to sign in. And I've tested this; it actually does work. The problem is that you have to be signed in on the PS3, so this doesn't get us anywhere. But if we can reverse engineer how the USB protocol works, we can probably just make it always think we're on, always think you're on the right account when you're not. So that's basically the idea. I'm just trying to see if I can get the stream video up on here. Yeah, so I'm trying to work out how to use this face dancer. So I've got how far I've gotten right now is I've killed the GitHub. So yeah. So backend GreatFET. Okay, so you have to set a environment variable called, oh great, let me guess, this one's Unix, doesn't it? I swear to God, if it doesn't work on Windows, I'll have to pull out a Unix machine. Or like run a VM or something, which would be annoying. But I can set an environment variable. I can just use the Windows equivalent of that command. Go away. I didn't ask for this. Oh, it's another thing. My keyboard sometimes just randomly starts typing stuff in this computer. It's actually horrible to use this computer for anything, really. Okay. That's done. Now I guess I can just try slash example slash when your docs don't even work. Imagine having such shit docs that they don't even work. Oh, right. Okay. Let's try this rubber ducky example. Are you kidding me? Example space dancer. I guess USB proxy. It's not a valid program. Python 3. What? Pi. No such file directory. What? This guy's docs, they suck. I want to come on. It isn't here. Why isn't? Okay, I want to try out this rubber ducky example. Let's see if I can get it to work at all. Okay. No module name face dancer. Okay, pym pip install face dancer. You got Instagram? Not really. GreatFET is awesome. Shout out to Michael Osman. Do you know how to actually use a GreatFET? Because I'm having trouble with this. How to use a GreatFET to man in the middle USB. That's what I'm trying to do. But so I bought one specifically for that purpose. PowerShell is better. I don't like PowerShell. Hope this doesn't require some driver shit to work. My goal is to eventually just a PC application that just pretends to be a PS3 and lets you sign in without a PSN account. Discord. Yes, I have Discord. Why do you want to? Oh, pfft, brilliant, brilliant. Oh, great! It's just crashed, didn't it? The fucking install crashed. Exception. Error catcher. It seems to have just timed out when downloading. Let me try it again. Download seems to have just timed out, so. I just need USB P caps of what my PS3 is doing with my PS Vita. Okay. God, Python's so slow. I swear. This might need Unix. I don't know. Does anyone know if this needs Unix? Can you? Old school. Do you know if this requires Unix in order to work? Oh, it's failing to connect. Of course it is. Great. Thanks, Internet. Okay, great. It's done. Okay. Now. Sample rubber ducky. Cannot import his main from face dancer. Why? This is what happens when you don't write good docs. No one knows how to use your things. Wiki. Let's see if the wiki's any helpful. I also don't know how well the stream's working. It's probably crashing a lot because this computer sucks. Get on the wiki how long ago? Come on. Take me there. Okay. Yes, Yagi. So it's just have no wiki then. I guess it just doesn't have a wiki. Okay. How am I supposed to know how to set it up then? Oh, set up the pie. Set up a pie. How do you set up pies again? It's not like pie, set up pie, install. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Ah! Fucking hell. Okay. Let's Google this. This is how all software engineers do things. Come on, search, piece of crap. Are you in the com? And then ask you to sign in. I've tested it actually does not allow program. Oh my god, why won't this load? No Google apparently. Come on, search. Crap. I have no Google. It's great. Let me just Google on my phone. That'll be faster. Why isn't it searching? Why aren't you loading? Yo. God, why won't this load? No Google apparently. I have no Google. It's great. Cannot import module. What's the error? I have to type this in manually because it's not working. Oh, fucking hell, finally. Okay. Huh? Why is this talking about pip 3? Pip 3 install. What? Why is it telling me I haven't installed it when I literally just did? Pip install GreatFET. Pip install GreatFET. Okay. Thanks. Do I need to flash a firmware to this thing or anything like that? Does anyone know? Because I literally just got it and plugged it in and trying to use it. Just have to make sure Windows uses USB 2 protocol using Zadig. Watch this also not search. Watch this also take like 20 years to load up. Zadig. Okay, I found the website on my phone. Hopefully I can load it faster. Zadig.akeoie. Oh great, this failed. Let's try it again. My internet right now. Come on. I'll receive that until it inevitably loads or just crashes again. Finally. God. I'm tempted to unplug my PS3's Ethernet cable and plug into my computer because this is ridiculous. Okay, yep. Okay, install Zadig. Hang on. Okay, I plugged in Ethernet to this device. It's my computer, so hopefully it should be faster now. Yep, run. Zadig, yes. Wanna run Zadig. Sure. Whatever. How do I... So I do. Oh, hang on, let me get the chat back. No, it's not dial-up, but it might as well be. Okay, so what do I do in here? GreatFET and this kick install driver. Do I just kick install driver on the word GreatFET? God, this is really behind. Looking at the stream, like this is so far behind. I'm just gonna do it and hope it works. Oh, it's not responding. Brilliant. It's not responding. Of course. Wow. Okay, so what do I do? GreatFET and this kick install driver. Do I just kick install driver on the word GreatFET? It's still not responding. This is actually kind of silly. Behind. Looking at the stream, like this is so far behind. I'm just gonna do it. Installation can take some time. Oh, it's not responding. God. It's not really Windows. It's not really Windows XP. Like it's a good disguise, but it's not really. Come on, reconnect, 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 reconnect. Thank you. God. Alright, so someone's probably unplugged my internet downstairs on the router. So I'm gonna plug it back in. Get out. Okay. Back in. Is it working? Still on no network. Come on. You can do it. Believe in you in Windows 10. Garbage Windows. Buffering, buffering. Yeah, well, my Wi-Fi, we have a shitty router and everyone refuses to replace it. So, we have a router from like 2001, and no one's bothered to get a new one. Every time we call the company, they're like, oh, no, it works fine. Like, it definitely doesn't, but whatever. So... we have a shitty router and everyone refuses to replace it. So, we have a router from like 2001, and no one's bothered to get a new one. Every time we call the company, they're like, oh, no, it works fine. Like, it definitely doesn't, whatever. Okay, so, I could also potentially, maybe... like change some settings in here. I don't know. I can't change any settings or streams running. Go figure. Anyway, I'm still waiting. 1001 router. Yeah, basically. Like, we've had it for ages. The same one. And it uses fucking VDSL like it's 2005. But the problem is, websites aren't 2005 websites anymore, because it would be fine if they were. I'd probably prefer the internet that way, but that's not how the internet is, so... that's the problem. It works at 1440p. It's at 1440p. Yeah, dude, just watch it in 1440p. I can type into Notepad if you want. Hang on. I did not open tips. I didn't even click on that. What the hell? Why is my gun yagging so hard? Okay, that's not even funny anymore. Stop opening tips. Stop opening tips! Down, 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 down. Thanks. Thanks, keyboard. My keyboard does that sometimes. It decides it's going to type a bunch of gibberish into whatever I'm doing. The internet is still dying. Yeah, it's probably that it can't handle downloading stuff and streaming at the same time. It's probably something really stupid like that. Probably doesn't help this computer's garbage as well. Like, everything about my setup is garbage. We're not missing much at the moment, because at the moment it's just a black screen that says running setup.py for install cmsis-svd, and that's it. That's the entire screen right now. The toolkit takes a while, it looks like. Can you even use Google? Actually, can you use Stack Overflow? I can, it just takes like 2 years to open. It seems to only be my computer having connection issues. Like, everything else seems to be working fine. My phone runs fine. Okay, I should grab another computer and hook up to a capture card and use that computer to stream. And then this one to do it so it's not like saturating its network card. I think that might be what's happening, is it's like saturating its network card so it can't do anything else. No, 009 Dreamscape. 009 Dreamscape. That's the jam. Do 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 do. I literally think that what's happening is it's just saturating the network card, like so hard. Okay, I stopped the stream and started again. Maybe it will work if I do this. Or maybe it will just skip to where I actually am. Should that work? Did that actually work? Maybe it will just skip to where I actually am. Coding over here, did. Should that work? Did that actually work? It tells me GreatFET is not a valid command. Coding over here, did. On. Tells me GreatFET is not a valid command. Let me try turning down the like, I don't know, maybe if I change some settings in here. Maybe I can stop it, quickly change some settings and like start it again. And like maybe it would get me change them that way. Turn the bitrate down, potentially. Actually, I can only do that. Let me just... I don't know. Yeah, let's see if that works any better. Why is GreatFET not a valid command? You told me you want GreatFET info, but there's no GreatFET. GitHub, Great Scott Gadgets, GreatFET, Tree Master Host. Oh, great. Maybe I can stop it. Quickly change some settings and like start it again. And like maybe it would get me change them that way. Turn the bitrate down. Potentially. Yoi. GreatFET. If I can type without. So let's play a game of can I type it without putting a bunch of brackets in my text, or trying to enable carrot browsing. This is a fun game. Why is it opening Twitter? I did not go to Twitter. Why? Damn keyboard. I also my phone decided to turn itself off, so now I have to check the stream on here.